We got this Tech Theory 600 mAh portable power bank, man. From Ross, only $10. 16 plus hours of talk time. Oh man, it seems pretty legit, man. Let's try it out here. Give it a whirl, give it a go. Little dabble do ya. All that good stuff. I'm at work, by the way, so this video will be privated for a while. Today is, I don't know why YouTube doesn't put the day you upload it, even as private. It puts the day you put it as public. Well, yeah, today is March the 27th, or 25th, 2022. So, there you go. At the construction site. Damn, Daniel, let's go.